everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Luxe TV. Guys, I have an unboxing for you today. I am excited about this one. Okay, so this particular item, guys, I've been looking for it for the longest time, and finally I got a notification from Coach that it is currently available, and I made my own purchase, and before you knew it, it was sold out again. Okay guys, so if today is your first time coming across my video, please consider subscribing. Okay, and my returning subscribers, my fellow content creators always coming to support your girl, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, let's don't waste much time. Let's go into this unboxing right now. So guys, here is the package. I already opened it up, just to see what it looks like. Okay, so I wanted to show you all what it looks like. So this is from Coach. Okay, like you can see. So this is in case you want to return the item. Okay, so let me just keep that one right there. I'm sure you guessed already, guys. This is a planner. Okay, is a planner. I've been trying to get a hold of the LV planner. Boy, anytime I see it, it's expensive. First of all, the price point. Second of all, before I know, it's gone. And I've been trying to get the one from Coach, but Coach is always sold out. As soon as Coach have it, they always sell it out. So I put on an email, I put a request for them to let me know when it's available. Okay, so as soon as I got the notification that it was available, I just click on it and I purchased. And good enough, they had it on 50% off. Okay, 50% off for the Coach planner. Unlike the Louis Vuitton planner, it never goes on sale, first of all, and second of all, it is always unavailable. Okay, so I checked the pre-love market to see if I could get something pre-love, but those planners, they'll always have like scratches or worn out or something like that, and the price point is still expensive, even though it has like minor one or two minor scratches or defects, or based on wear and tear. They're still expensive. They're still over $200-300. Instead of me to buy that, I will buy something from Coach or any other fashion house, and it will be brand new, or I wait and get the brand new from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so this is my receipt from Coach, and also a return label just in case I need to return it. Okay guys, so let's open this planner up. It's a simple planner. I really like it. I really love it. So right now it's completely sold out. I would have put a link for you guys just in case you are interested in getting it, but it's sold out within a couple of hours. It was all gone. Okay, so if you love the Coach planner, after you've seen me unbox this, you might as well go on Coach and put in a request for notification. Okay, just register with them to always get an email, put in a request, and they will always notify you when this planner becomes available. So let's open it up now. So it has this little snap closure. You open it like so. Okay, so it's a khaki brown color with all of the Coach initials all around it. Wow, this is so pretty. I love it. So this is what the planner looks like. I don't know if you can see, it has the Coach and the horse and the carriage up here. This is done in white, so I don't know if you can see it though. Yeah, so it's done in white. Has the so this is what it looks like in. So it's a complete notebook. Okay, so you can write all your stuff in it. This is what it says here: a tradition in leather. Okay, so this is from the Coach itself. This Coach notebook is crafted with leather expertise that dates back to 1941. Okay, so it's a notebook. Okay, it's a notebook. It's a really, really good notebook. Okay, and has different inscription about Coach, when it was founded, the idea behind it. And so this one says Coach was founded by 6 artisans in a New York City loft in 1941. Okay, so it just gives you a little history about the brand. Okay, oh, I really love this. I really, really love this. I love the fact that, you know, it doesn't have the date, you know, it doesn't have the year, so you can use this all year round. Okay, and you can also, if you don't want to use, let me see if this will come out. You also have the little care instruction booklet. Yeah, this should come out. Let me see. So in case you are done with using this book, you can always buy another one and, you know, put it in there. Like I was saying, it has the Coach written down there. You can see it when I open it like this, but if I make it like this, you won't see it. So it's like this, you see it down there. Okay, yeah, I love this notebook. I love it so much. So now I can take the packaging out of it completely. So this is the little price tag it came with. Okay, that's the price tag it came with there. Wow, I really love this. Look at the leather, so nice, so beautiful leather. Okay, so this is that canvas leather, you know, they always used to make the handbag as well. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful lining in here. Over here, the roads, let me see what the roads in here, I can't read it now. Okay, made in India. Okay, so it's made, this one is made in Indian. All right, so Coach New York, made in Indian. Okay, yeah, so it has a pocket here that you can always use, you know, to put other stuffs. Like you have to put other stuff you carry with your notebook. Okay, I really love this one. For the price I got it an extra 50% off, which was really, really, really good, really, really affordable. Okay guys, so that's it for this Coach booklet. I really love it because it's gonna be versatile, especially this. It's gonna be really, really versatile. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. So, you know, all of my YouTube videos ideas, my ideas for work and, you know, planning stuff is gonna be in here. And what a nice way to have, what a nice planner to have. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Okay, please share my videos, invite your friends to Luxe TV. I will see you again next time. Bye guys.